So today I'm going to unbox, open, and discuss the Delicious Tuning Flex Fuel Kit for the GR Corolla. If you guys follow our other channel, the 86 Speed, you guys know that we are a big supporter of Delicious Tuning. We run the Flex Fuel Kit. We do a lot of our remote tunes and dyno tuning with Bill. I think we've been going on a business relationship for over 13 years. So he recently developed this kit. It's plug and play. This is for the GR Corolla and to be used with EcuTek. But let's get this open and kind of go through a couple of the components to show you guys what's in the box. All right, guys, so it's a two-box system. What we got here is the fuel line. We have a CAN bus style harness here. So we got a harness. We have another T connector. Bill's always great at creating like an actual bracket for the system itself. And inside here, we actually have the proprietary Delicious Tuning Flex Fuel sensor. He's not using the Continental sensors that you see from a lot of other manufacturers. He actually develops these himself. Has a much better or less of a failure rate. And then we have the brains of the operation here. And this will obviously plug into here. So really high quality stuff here, guys. So this will pull out, this will come in. I mean, this is good stuff. You know, this isn't just some rinky-dink plug-in thing. Really good quality. You see how it sucks that in when I click that? So really simple kit. I'm not sure where this is gonna mount, but follow us along today. We're gonna do the full installation of this. And just a quick note, EcuTek is a completely separate module. It's actually the tuning module, the brains to unlock your factory ECU and start having someone actually code things different for your air-fuel ratios, increase boost levels and things like that. It's a really great tool. Please check out the video. I think we've done some different videos on this car with the EcuTek. I'll put a link up in the right-hand corner here. All right, guys, let me show you what we did. We added all the components from the Delicious kit, included this fuel line here, which we tapped into the OEM fuel line, brings it through here, goes through the ethanol content reader, and comes back into the factory fuel system. We also installed this harness that plugs in. It's a small mini 3-wire harness. You got a signal wire, a power, and a ground that feeds its way back in through the firewall here. And we go through the wheel well area and actually install the grommet that's provided with the kit. It's the nicest, cleanest install. It's a little more work to take the wheel off, but it's really clean, it's really safe. And then we put all the rest of the components on the inside of the car. So that includes a Bluetooth module. Something that's cool about this kit is it has its own separate app. You can actually read the ethanol content. So when you're setting this up with your tuner, this is a little bit different than the EcuTek software. The EcuTek software will also read the content through the CAN bus system. So you have two ways to double check things. Your tuner will need to program that properly to read the correct signal wire. There's a documentation. I can put the link down below. I'll also include all the links for the PDF document for installation down below as well. I'm also going to include a limited time bonus coupon below for this kit, as well as a limited coupon for tunes on the GR Corolla. So if you guys are thinking about getting a package from us, now's the time. We're gonna have limited coupons down below. In my opinion, is a really clean kit, a really easy way to add good power to your car, get a little bit out of the, I wouldn't say limp mode, but just get the car not being so lazy feeling and stuff like that. So with that, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one.